National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut until 7 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from thunderstorms over the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut,